Unfortunately, I'd made these in black, but these are the original design. There's a little bit of slop in there. I know it's less than half a millimeter. You can go to about here and it starts filling out. This one, same thing, just 0.2 millimeters smaller, and that just drops in, almost presses in. Not quite. I mean, you can come out okay, and surprisingly, you can almost, I guess you can shake it. I don't know how good. You can hear it wobbling a little bit, but it's pretty good. This one, same as this, except for it just has center pins. I may use those if I do something with the pins. I may actually use them to put labels on top. So I'm not sure if that's better or worse. I mean, it does flip over like the other one. It gives me a surface so I can tighten everything up a little bit more. Like I could get rid of maybe about 2 millimeters on each side. The thing I'm not sure about this is that, and again, it's going to wear at some point and they're going to get looser, but on the big ones here, I can just reach in and grab them. Here, I can just reach in and grab it, and here, I can't. So, this one I tried 2 different things on, and one, these are just squares that match the square drive. These are pins like this one, but with squares at the base. I don't know if you can see them or not. So, you have to line it up right on all of them. Some of them have pins, some of them don't. I don't know. This is definitely more secure. This I can, on either one of them. The nice thing is without the pins, you can just grab them like that. With the pins, they're actually more difficult to do. Yeah, like if I had a couple next to it, that might be a pain. I don't know. Thoughts?